Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Buick LaCrosse. Stock number is A7187A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a waterfall chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with general tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top, you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise controls, audio and Bluetooth mounted here, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Buick on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.